Alright, come in the camp.
Pull?
You can pull. Yeah, pull
Pulling.
now. Okay, okay. Comms clear, hands off the keyboard. Thunderclap, stay like this. Stay like this.
You
stay
can
like this.
you can move freely. It's a plague as well.
Yeah, turn him around, Adava, turn him around.
Yeah. Right.
Slice and tank out. Slice and tank out. Saren out.
Slice
That's
move
fine, I can
further
protect.
away.
Slice move a bit further away. Celea out. You can death wish here, like on next back, or use cooldowns here, trinkets, stuff like that. Medius, you can also go battle spell.
Load, run. Iron,
away,
iron,
run away.
Petri, iron, Petri.
I'm Peperon.
That lip
See
was
this?
something.
Sorry. Whoa, that looked harder.
Monster.
It was really.
You can survive that. It looks like okay.
Maybe a GFPP running. Cool.
We shielded him also.
Ah, shield is good. Good job,
Good
Peters.